Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Xbox One party chat without a microphone. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So did you go ahead and lose your microphone, or did it break recently and you still want to speak to your friends in your Xbox Live party chat? How would you go ahead and do this until you can get a new microphone? Well, this is actually really easy to do. Let's jump over to my other camera and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so I have my Android smartphone in front of me here, and what I'm going to go to is the Google Play Store right now. And I'm going to go ahead and search for the Xbox application. So go ahead and type in Xbox right at the top on the search bar. So Xbox. Then it'll bring you to this application. It's from Microsoft Corporation. It looks like this. Go ahead and install this on your phone and open it up. And sign in with your Xbox Live gamer tag and password. And this will be the startup page. And this is going to be the Xbox news feed that you see on your dashboard. So I can see my friends on here, all the clips they're sharing, etc. Then on the top here, you can see my friends and clubs. Then the next option over will be party. Now if I go to start a party and select this, or I can go ahead and join one of my friends' party, it's going to go ahead and connect to that party. And as you can see, when I speak into this microphone on my phone now, it's going to light up blue around my name, and I can actually speak and hear to people in my party or when I join their party with this application. So I do not need a microphone connected to my Xbox. I can actually join from my phone and speak to them from my phone. So you can use this as a microphone, and it works actually really good. However, sometimes it's a little bit too sensitive, so you might want to mute yourself at some point in time. So there's a down arrow. And then you can go to mute me. So you can no longer hear yourself talk, or your friends can't hear you either. So if you do have like someone come in the room or something last minute, you can go ahead and start a conversation with them and then mute yourself through this application. Then go to unmute. Plus on the bottom of this application, it says home. You can select the remote, and you can literally control your entire Xbox just from your phone using this application, which is really cool. So if you are unable to talk to people, go ahead and download this Xbox application and try it out for yourself. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.